Good day everyone. So we are going to tackle about personal development in module 26. Um, I have here a motivation. First, we need to read the direction. Match the correct word from column A to column B. So we need to match it from column A to column B. Number one, areas that provide enjoyment and learning which result to a feeling of reward to an individual. You can answer it. I, I will count 5 seconds and I will sabihin ko yung sagot. Areas that provide enjoyment and learning which result to a feeling of reward on an individual. It is letter D. It is interest. Number 2, talents or abilities that can be learned or acquired through training or day-to-day experience. Skills. Letter C. Stable life goals that people have. It is an individual belief that are honed from childhood and throughout his life. F. Values. Blended characteristics that are evidently displayed and are important in expressing and communicating. Letter A. Personality. A small task that level to career goal. Letter B. Career paths. So we are going to move to the next. So persons and career. Um, what is career? Career is defined as what you do for a living using a profession or occupation that undergo education or training to master knowledge and expertise. According to Garcia, when back on 2023, choosing a career can help you select the right education and skills you need to obtain to pursue and to be successful in that career. Making careful and well thought out decisions regarding your career can increase your chance of success. Choosing right career can take time and research. So, ang career ay tumutukoy sa isang profesyon o trabaho na isang tao um, ay pumapasok o pinipili bilang pangkabuhayan. Ito ay landas na tinatahak ng isang individual na tao upang magkaroon ng isang hanap buhay na nagbibigay ng kabuhayan pag-unlad sa kanilang buhay. Ang karera ay maaaring magkakaugnay sa mga larangan tulad ng medisina. Um, anong gusto mo mga trabaho, edukasyon, at mga talent mo, sining, pwede rin siyang negosyo, marami pang iba. Ito ay isang mahalagang bahagi ng buhay ng isang tao kung saan sila ay nagtatrabaho at nagpapamalas ng kanilang mga kasanayan, talento. So, ang pagpili daw ng isang career, mas mahalaga kung ito talaga yung nandito mo. Kung ito talaga yung nasa loob mo. Kasi, choosing right decision, mas, um, mas, mas maayos yung, chance na ma-increase mo yung success sa buhay. Career path. Career paths are small tasks that lever to career goal. A career path can be defined as a series of jobs that lead you to closer to your career goals and vision for your life. Some people follow a linear path through one field, advancing into roles with more responsibilities and higher salaries. So, career planning. Career planning is wise decision making of steps and process for continuous development, of learning, of achieving his or her professional and personal goal. There are traits also that you need to be empowered so that you will not be shaken when there are trials and challenges. Improving. Improving personal traits is laid and are argumented by accomplishing and small personal tasks that are within a time frame. Um, these small personal tasks contribute to the personal development called personal goal. Um, uh, ang career planning ay ang proseso ng pagpaplano at pagpapasya sa mga hakbang na kinakailangan upang makamit ang isang layunin sa karera o propesyon ng isang tao. Ito ay pagtatakda ng mga tunguhin, pag-aaral ng mga kasaysayan at edukasyon na kinakailangan, paghahanap ng trabaho o oportunidad, at pagbubuo ng isang landas tungo sa inaasahan na karera. Ang career planning ay nagbibigay daan sa isang individual na magkaroon ng malinaw na direksyon o yung kanyang pinaka-personal goal sa kanilang profesyon at maghanda sa mga hakbang na kinakailangan upang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap na karera. Ito isang mahalagang process upang matiyak ang tagumpay kasiya at kasiyahan sa trabaho o kasiyahan ng isang tao. So this is a personal goal.
Traits that are needed developing one's in career life goals. Self-concept. Theory mentioned that every individual has different personality. B. Self-determination. Life experience and observation that motivate you to fulfill your dreams and goals in life. C. Self-monitoring. People who are highly sensitive monitor have a great tolerance to adjust.
Factors that influence career planning and decision making. Parental autonomy doctrine refers to a principle that parents have fundamental right to raise his or her child. Financial is an unplanned and foreseen financial expense that is beyond that employee's means to manage. Change in family role as the recurrent patterns of behavior by which individuals fulfill family functions and needs. School location, the area of interest or departure from school members or events and all school-related function settings. Academic performance, the measurement of the learning texts achieved by students. Employment rate, a measure of the extent to which available labor resources. Herd mentality, the tendency of the people in a group to think and behave in ways and comport with others in the group rather than an individual. Self-sabotage, when people do things that their block success or prevent them from accomplishing their goals.
Factors that influence your career decision making. Interests are areas that provide enjoyment and learning which result to a feelings of reward to an individual. Personal interest should be inclined to career so that it will result to a satisfying career decision making. Skills are talent or abilities that can be learned or acquired through training or day-to-day experience. Developing skill are gained despite the difficulties if someone has an interest to learning. Values are stable life goals that people have. It is an individual belief that are honed from childhood and through his life. Your priorities, decision, behavior, and action reflect the values that you have acquired since you were a child until old age. Every individual has certain values that is dominating based on their choices. Direction in the life priorities, determination include avoidance or conflict. Personality is a blended characteristic that are evidently displayed and are important in expressing and communicating. These are the feelings, thought, and behavioral patterns a person has. Every individual has different personality. Let's proceed to short quiz. To answer the question, please pause the screen. Thank you.